Day 2, back out milling the beech. Done first 2 cuts, got 2 boards in the truck. Kept them with a waney edge. Just took off the faces, squared up the outsides. To 680. To 850. Get a few more nice boards off here yet, just starting to get into some of the nice spalting. Hopefully it's going to be nice and flame like the ones yesterday I was cutting. These I've trimmed them down a little bit. Yeah, about 210 it'll be when it's squared off. And hopefully those yesterday were just too much weight to be lugging around by myself. Stiff as a board, as they say today. See where they get that from now. But nice dark, more like it's almost gone like walnut in there. It's a bit different grain pattern to yesterday. It's top there, nice and flat. Cut a few boards off and showing them what they're like.